The first step in ordering the Slim Line Insulating Pane slip system is providing us with an accurate measurement. This is potentially the most important step in the slip process because it allows us to build and provide you with a properly fitted product that will look and perform optimally for many years. The measurement required is what we call the daylight size. It is essentially the overall measurement of the width and height of where the glass meets the wood, both width and height. We understand that there are many types of vintage sash with a variety of glass configurations. However, the process for obtaining the daylight measurement is identical regardless of the sash glass setup. Butt your tape measure to the edge of the sash where it meets the far outside edge of the outermost glass pane for multi-light configurations, or where the profile edge of the sash meets the outside edge of a single light sash configuration. While holding the tape measure end to this point, drag the tape measure over all the glass panes for multi-light configuration, or across the entire pane for single light configurations, and read the measurement at the same point on the opposite side of the sash. For the majority of vintage sash, this measurement ends with the fraction 5/8, but this is not always the case. The same process is repeated for the daylight height. It is essential that the first measurement we receive is width, followed by height. These measurements ultimately decide the shape and size of each slip, as well as the hidden balance type for double hungs. For double hung windows, the process needs to be repeated for both top and bottom sash because they are not always the same size. Repeat this process for all windows you wish to order and install the slip.